Yamaha announced that production of the YZF-R6 would end in 2020. The well-loved R6 would continue its life as a track-only motorcycle in the European market, much to the chagrin of sport bike fans everywhere. Welcome to Throttle Deck channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated whenever I upload new videos about your motorcycle brands. The tuning fork company did, however, release the YZF-R7 as a replacement for the R6. The YZF-R7 is based on the same platform as the Yamaha M T-07 and uses the same CP2 engine, a 689cc parallel twin engine with a 270-degree crankshaft powers the bike. Its highest power output is around 73 horsepower, thanks to inverted front forks and race-ready supersport ergonomics. The YZF-R7 has quick handling characteristics. Its appearance is also quite similar to the R6, with a threatening front fascia and hidden LED running lights. The Yamaha 60th Anniversary Edition YZF-R7 also made an appearance at the Inside Racing Bike Fest. Although the price of this limited edition model has yet to be revealed by Yamaha, it does, however, feature a gorgeous livery that includes Yamaha's distinctive white and red color scheme as well as the legendary speed blocks design seen on Kenny Roberts racing motorcycles.